Hi everybody, Miss Jen from MELC. I hope you guys are doing good today. I'm going to have you guys make a nature heart for our activity. So you're going to need a piece of colored construction paper or any kind of paper. Also another piece to make your heart, some scissors, something to draw your heart with, and a glue stick or tape. And you'll have to go outside and try to find like some leaves or grass, flowers if you have them. I'm going to go outside right now and see what I can find in my yard. So I will be right back. Hi, I'm back. I found a lot of things that I can use for my heart collage. What did you guys find? Oh, those are very pretty flowers. I have a tulip, and I also have a purple tulip. I found lily of the valley, and of course dandelions. I have those all over my yard. And then I found these little purple flowers. I'm not sure what they are. And I also have leaves to use. So what you're going to do is draw half of a heart on your paper and then cut it out with scissors, just being very careful with your scissors. Make sure you have an adult with you when you're using scissors to be safe. Just like that. Open it up. There's your heart. And what you can do is use your glue stick. You're going to glue your heart onto your piece of paper. I am going to put this up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Make sure you guys can see it. There we go. Do it that way. There we go. I'm going to put some glue on here really quick. I'm going to try to make a pattern with my materials that I have. Here we go. Here we go. And then put some on the outside so that your things can stick to it. So I'm going to start with the fun dandelion. There we go. And give it go. Hopefully they stick. And you can use whatever you want. Like I said, if you don't have flowers, you can just find some leaves or even grass. There we go. Here's a leaf. There we go. You can use a whole bunch of different colors if you want, or just do the same color. There we go. We need more glue. There we go. So now, let's see, I would have to use yellow for my pattern. There we go, and then this color. Oops. Go. What are your favorite flowers? Oh, those are pretty. I like those too. This is my favorite. It's a shrub. Lilacs. They smell so nice. But I also love tulips, which are these flowers right here. And purple. Then we have a leaf. There we go. Purple and leaf. And your lily of the valley. And I'll put another leaf there. Oh, I didn't use the little flowers. Here we go. Put the little flower there. There we go. And I'll put, let's see. And we can put the other little flower down here. There we go. So that's my finished project. And I would love to see pictures of yours, and you can send them to me in my email that's down below. And I hope you guys had fun, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye.